Yo, dude. This is what I like to call I'm a retard. I was born! Dude, why you kicking water?
It's recording.
I know. Dude, you know what'd be awesome? Is if two hot chicks started watching this video and then tried looking for us.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
You can't see my face.
Who would want to see your face anyway?
Hot girls. Hello.
Lesbian.
That's a big gun.
Heck, dude, I'd be better off with a freaking straw. Holy crap.
Hello, fisheye. Dude, why is it all blurry? There it goes.
Hello?
Hello.